Good morning mom mom Good morning สมศักดิ์ Good morning โอมมาเลย Good morning Good morning เอ้ย Good morning มาเลย he hungry แล้ว
Stars fall at my feet, keep me grounded as I reach higher than I see. Is there something there for me?
Well, good morning, everyone. We are going to have breakfast, and then we are heading to Center Bangkok, where we will be spending one night. What? Wait, what?
She pay the money.
What did you say?
Just the receipt she sent me right now for
What?
the college.
What is?
We wrong. For the college, she paid 22,300 for the 6 months.
Well, I guess sometimes the wrong information is good information. Are you sure?
Sure, Amy just sent me. She just know about right now. She sent me.
Okay, give me a second, guys. Some good news for Gift, Emmy, and her family. When I was asking Emmy about the course of college, she was saying it was 200,000 baht for a semester, right? And there's 2 semesters. I'll put a little clip of that video in here. Oh, so you can study abroad,
Yes,
maybe?
because this programmer is technology that Hong Kong have, America have.
Yeah.
I think that when I finish the college and find a job and so have many and study for. Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to finish college, then get a job, make some money, so you could then hopefully you can go study
Yes,
abroad.
Yeah.
So how much is your tuition for the college?
200,000 for one semester.
For one semester, and how many semesters are in 1 year?
2.
2, okay. And what about you're going to live on campus, right? In a dormitory, so how much is that?
6,750
6,750 baht. Is that a year or is that a month?
month.
A month. And does that include food and utilities?
It's extra.
Extra. Food
Yes.
and utilities is extra. Okay. Anyway, apparently what Emmy did is she reached out to a senior, because that's what they do. They reach out to a senior, and I'm not sure if it was a young man or a young lady, but asked about their experience in the 4 years of attending the same college Emmy's attending now. And I guess she was so excited when she was asking, or she misunderstood some way anyway. When she was asking them the course of the college, they told her, apparently, or they were trying to explain to her, 400,000, a little over 400,000 for the entire 4 years. And Emmy thought it was 400,000 for a year. Not only that, Emmy, when they talked about the living cost, the dormitory and the food and everything, Emmy thought the dormitory was 6,000 or a little over 6,000 baht a month. But no, it's 6,000 including food and everything, right? So it's actually good news for the family, a blessing in disguise, because I know they were a little bit worried. I guess we should have done our research, but anyway, the good news is it's been clarified. So this is a government college, right? He was saying a government college, which is of course cheaper. Now, if an international student wanted to come, it'd be a little bit more expensive. I'm not sure. Of course, you can look it up, Google it to get the accurate information, up to date and accurate information. But when Gift went to college, you went here in Bangkok, you went to a private college, right? So Gift paid a little bit more for her college, so she didn't even think twice about it when Emmy was saying 400,000. I don't think anyone really thought about it, and not even Emmy. But anyway, after she checked in, she got her orientation with the college itself. They sat down and they said, okay, now you guys have to make your first payment. And that's when they show me. And that's when they said what the course was, and Emmy's like, oh, I was wrong. But anyway, let me look at that again. Now, we did clarify that with Emmy, and she says, no, this is accurate. So it looks like it's going to be for the college itself, 22,300 for 6 months. So a year that would be 44,600. Yeah, and that's where the confusion came in, because she said over 400,000 for everything, I guess, in the 4 year in a 1 year, and it's actually over 400,000 for 4 years. So good news. We're happy. We're very happy about that. Gift was just showing her mom and Thammasat and and called Emmy's mom in Hong Kong. They're all happy because we actually started looking up if she needed to get a loan, and she's not going to need a loan for that, right? So good to go.
Do you know my Joe? Long time ago, one fish and cook like this can eat 10 people in the Isan before a long time ago. 10 people, 5 people, 6 people can eat with sticky like only one meal.
Only one.
Yes.
And 6 to 10 people would eat off of that.
Yes.
Wow.
Eat with sticky like.
A lot of rice in one bowl.
Yeah. Yes, just one bowl. And maybe cook one fish. Only one fish, small fish, not big fish and small fish.
I'm assuming they still do that sometimes. Some people still have to do that.
Yeah,
Is it like a meat in there? Is there meat?
No, fish.
Oh, it's fish in
Fish
there.
and chili and put ingredient something in it.
What is it called?
Pon pa.
Oh, okay. Wow. We were stuck in about 2 hours traffic, right? But we finally made it here to the IBIZ on Sukhumvit 24. You guys seen this room many times, over and over, or this hotel rather, maybe not exactly this room. But we are going to go to lunch, right? I guess.
Yes.
Gift her iced chocolate. And then we have some other things to do. Hopefully we could relax a little before we head back to Pachuap tomorrow. So while Gift and I are in Bangkok, we decided to stop at Thai Legal Protection. Thai Legal Protection, they provide all types of legal service. Basically anything you need to know as a member. Gift and I are a member. As a member, you do get some benefits like a live-in will, some advice on other things. I came in here because I wanted to get Gift a power of attorney. God forbid something happened to me, because if I'm incapacitated, Gift can go to the Bamulad, to the insurance part of the hospital, and she can deal with them to get the guaranteed payment for me to take care of me. So, obviously, we are going to get married one day. We don't have a date yet, so don't everyone get excited. But we're trying to find out some information on that as well. And also, while I'm here, I want to get a will. And Gift wants to get a will as well. So we're in here and we're meeting up with David. Typically, Thai Legal Protection, you can do everything over the internet, over the phone when you have a membership. You only really come to this office if you need more assistance, like a referral, more legal guidance, things of that nature. They will walk you through it. David, you're one of the representatives of Thai Legal Protection?
Yes, I'm one of the managing director.
Managing director?
Yes.
And are you Thai?
Yes, I'm Thai. I have Thai, yes.
Okay, so you speak fluent Thai, so...
I speak fluent Thai, yes.
Even a Thai, like Gift is a member, so
Yes.
Gift can also come in and get some referrals and get some guidance and some assistance on questions she may have related to family.
Exactly. If you sign up, if one of husband or wife sign up, you both can use a membership. It's under the same membership.
So other than what I was saying, for example, the will, and you also deal with people wanting to buy a condo, a house,
Real estate law.
real estate laws, you know all of that.
Exactly.
And you guys have lawyers all throughout to help you if there's anything that someone may need special assistance with.
Yeah, we have a special lawyer that does special like property. We have a property lawyer, family lawyer, or even immigration, right? So anything that needs specialized or expert, we would have that lawyer to deal with the consultation.
Now, a lot of foreigners that come to Thailand, they're having struggles trying to get their visa, to get their first visa.
Right.
You guys provide that service also?
We do provide that service, and we also provide a consultation. If you are not in Bangkok, you're elsewhere, we can walk you through the process, how to get open a bank account, how to get a visa, what's the requirement, what paperwork do you need. Okay. Yeah, we can walk you through the whole process.
So if someone's up in Isan, for example, or in Chiang Mai, you can assist them and maybe even give them a referral or an office contact information if they needed to go talk to a person there, as opposed to coming all the way to Bangkok.
Yes, of course. Yeah, we have referral all over Thailand. So, but we like to save our members money as much as they can, so they don't have to actually hire someone to do it. They can actually do it themselves, right? If they have the time, all we do is just provide the advice that they can.
You could look over some of their documentation
Yes.
to make sure it's accurate. And also if someone wants to get married, for example, if they want to get a fiancé visa, K1 visa, I guess it is, right?
Yes,
To go to the
K1,
United
yeah.
States,
Exactly.
you can assist them, walk them through that as well.
Exactly. We can walk through the whole process from start to finish, right? What documentation you need, what's the requirement to get that K1. If you don't qualify, we will let you know up front, right? And then you have an option to get married. A lot of people come in trying to get a tourist visa and they don't qualify. We will tell them up front not to waste their money to apply for tourist visa.
You're also helping other countries, right? It's just not the United States.
Yeah, mostly all the speaking, English-speaking country.
Okay.
Canada, United Kingdom, Australia. We do some European country. It's depending on which country. Yeah.
You're going to put a link to TLP, and they could open up that link and see all of the services that is provided and
Yes.
what a membership costs and everything like
Well,
that.
Anything you can think of. If it's not related to, if you don't think about the law, look, just sign up, call in. We can give you the information. It's like just buying a car. You might need some advice in buying a car, right? Or buying some health insurance or life insurance here in Thailand, right? We can give you some advice.
If I were to get pulled over by the police, you guys help me out there?
Well, yeah, we have a 24 hours emergency service, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, just call in. We can assist you, talk to the police and see, exactly why they pull you over, what happened.
Or if someone got arrested, they could call you guys also, and
Yeah.
you'll try to help them out, referrals or whatever they need.
Yes.
You'll talk to the police then also to try to get more information.
Yes, we're trying to get more information and see if, they can, get you out of that situation. Anything emergency, yes. Once you sign up as a member, you can call in 24 hours.
24 hours. So that's actually good because Thai police don't speak English, so
Exactly.
that'll help them out significantly as well.
Exactly.
What about in the event they get in an accident and there's a casualty?
Yes. Well, we also, whoever calls in, we would assist them, talking to the police or hospital, whatever assistance they need, or emergency helpline will help them.
Well, that's good information. I didn't know you guys provided all of that.
Yes.
We basically just signed up to get the will and work on a power of attorney for us and things like that. But that's awesome, especially with the police, I think, if there's ever an emergency.
Yes, it's a peace of mind, right?
Yeah.
A lot of tourists come here for a week, it's just good to have it. You lose your passport, what do? Where do you go first, right? So, we can assist you on all that.
Okay, so they could, even if they don't live in Thailand, they could get a membership for Thai legal protection.
Yes, yeah, we have a lot of Thais or foreigners that live overseas that wants to get their kids to go for tours or an adoption or go study abroad. So we can give you all that information on how to go about doing that.
Well, that's awesome information. Well, thank you for letting us come to the office. I know this is not the norm, but we wanted to see face to face, ask these questions.
you.
Great meeting you.
Thank you, John.
All right.
Yes.
We are here getting breakfast at the IBIZ Hotel here on Sukhumvit 24. We had a very productive meeting with Thai Legal Protection yesterday. We met with David and some other folks there, and we got all of our questions answered. So now we'll go home. We'll draw out some documentation that we need to, and then we'll meet up with them again to get all of that finalized. But right now we're gonna have breakfast, heading back home, about a 4-hour drive, and looking forward to getting home after, about a week now, right? On the road, so yeah, looking forward to that.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you so much for watching our video นะคะ Love you all นะคะ รักทุกคนเลยนะคะ บ๊ายบายนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ